and square leg में Deva sir on the square leg. Fielders are ready, umpires are ready, everyone is ready. Okay, 5. Can everyone मेरे साथ? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's play game on. क्या बात है? Okay. Nari Shakti to start with the bowling. Up and over in the air. But safe, एक रन लेंगे. What a start, single run. क्या बात? PL team off the mark. Account open हो गया है एक रन से. We have Shaurabh Rathi, Sahil Thakur and Khushbu Jain started. Oh, that's very clever. Good bowling. Umpire unmoved because the fair delivery from Khushbu. 2 गेंद 1 रन, कोई विकेट नहीं. इस बार ओहो हो किधर भेज दिया है, डायरेक्ट बाहर. So as per the rule book, how many runs? Only 1 run again. 3 गेंद का खेल हुआ है, 2 रन on the board. So the news from the center. Team Evren won the toss, selected to field. They send PIL team to bat. इन्विटेशन दिया है PIL टीम, आप बैटिंग करे, हम करेंगे चेस. देखना होगा कौन जीतेगा फर्स्ट मैच का रेस. Dancing down the track. Safe, 1 bounce. Will they come back for 2? The throw at the non-striker's end indeed. And a good fielding, good, excellent fielding. Good throw. And also good running between the wickets by Sahil and Shaurabh. This time, high. क्या बात है, कहाँ पे भेज दिया है आर पार. 2 रन मिलेंगे. 5 गेंद 6 रन. In fact, we can say Khushbu Jain, what a start in the bowling. If you're giving 5 runs, 6 runs, you're a quality bowler. 5 गेंद 6 रन इस ओवर के आखिरी गेंद करेंगी खुशबू. Down the leg side. And that's gone high in the air. मौका है लेकिन यहां पर मिलेगा सिक्सर. Excellent effort by the fielder. Very good judgment, but just over him. 6 रन के लिए. ओवर की समाप्ति, 1 ओवर 13 रन, कोई विकेट नहीं. PIL पैंथर्स क्या शुरुआत की है. शुरुआत अच्छी रही थी खुशबू से, लेकिन वो डैमेज किया है लास्ट बॉल पर. साहिल क्या बात है. Sahil batting 11 of 5 with 1 6 and Shaurabh Rathi 1 of 1. And now Vishal, the new bowler from Team Evren, will bowl to Shaurabh. Good placement. That's what the batsmen already, every time, indeed, they understand the bowling condition, the line and length, and then they will go for some big hittings. Let's see. क्या बात है, बेहतरीन लेट कट, मिलेंगे एक रन, पॉइंट की दिशा में खेल दिया. So in fact a good start from PL team and also from Team Evren. दोनों ने बेहतरीन शुरुआत की है. Sahil on strike. Tossed up delivery, that play to the mid wicket region. Will they come back for two? Oh, क्या बात है, running mid in the wicket देखिए. Ever ready है, ever ready. क्या बात है, excellent running mid in the wickets. मैं वहां पर रहता तो सिर्फ एक रन लेता. बट एनर्जी देखिए इनकी. Well played through the covers. Good start, good start. So this is sensible batting. Shaurabh is playing with single now. Sahil Thakkar is aggressive. 1-6 उनके बैट से. इस बार कम बैक किया है विशाल. क्या बात है, इंडियड अ गुड ओवर फ्रॉम विशाल. मात्र 4 रन दिए हैं 5 गेंदों में. तो एक कम बैक किया है टीम एवरन ने. क्या बात है. Right from round the wicket and that's a very good fielding straight to the covers. End of the over. 2 ओवर के बाद 17 रन, कोई विकेट नहीं. खटैक. Excellent fielding, excellent fielding. Good stop by Shagun, the skipper. क्या बात. Slower toss up delivery chance. ये क्या हो गया. दोनों के बीच में संपर्क नहीं हुआ. क्या छूटा, सपना टूटा. That was a chance for Team Evren to get that first wicket, but PIL team luck factor. शॉर्ट पिच बॉल इसको अच्छे से खेल दिया है. मिड विकेट के क्षेत्र में 2 रन के लिए जाना चाहते थे लेकिन जल्द से कलेक्ट कर लिया. और कीपर के पास. और ये क्या हो गया. ओ व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. मिक्स अप समथिंग हियर. ओ दिस इज द चांस. Oh ho. They having question to the umpire. An umpire very calm and cool. So total कितने रन्स मिले. 2 रन मिले या 1 रन मिले. 2 runs. Okay, we have on the scorecard 2.3 रन. तो ये है क्रिकेट का अजब गजब. कभी खुशी कभी गम होता है, कभी मिक्सअप. लेट्स सी. Oh, this time tossed up delivery looking to play for big one. He didn't get the connection for that. They got a 1-6 so far where Sahil has hit long gone in the very first over. Indeed, a second over or first over? Yeah, that was a first over last ball. 6 रन आया था. That's good bowling from Gyanendu. Is that end of the over? Okay, that's end of the over number 3. It's 20 for no loss. 3 ओवर के बाद 20 रन, कोई विकेट नहीं. सौरभ और साहिल की दमदार शुरुआत. बट एक्सीलेंट लास्ट ओवर. जस्ट कंसीडर 3 रन्स. विशाल ने 4 रन. तो एक कमबैक किया है टीम एवरन ने. पहला ओवर 13 रन था. Quick reflexes by the long off fielder. Single only. Cracking shot. Only a single. So Vishal Ram, his bowling is second. Only 6 runs conceded in 1.2. 22 on the board. Excellent placement. Going back foot and playing at point and single taken. सब कुछ हो रहा है इस पहले मुकाबले में. Oh, swing and a miss. No, what's happened there? Swing and a miss, yes. Excellent bowling. Oh, that was a big shot. What happened indeed? No, nothing. Safe. क्या बात है. Very good bowling from Vishal. 3.5 23 run PIL. Oh, Anusha tried to stop that, but she didn't stop. But in single run taken. ओवर की समाप्ति हुई है. 4 ओवर 24 रन. तो टीम एवरन ने जो कमबैक किया है पिछले 3 ओवर में, तारीफ करनी होगी उनकी, क्योंकि पहला ओवर था 13 रन, दूसरा ओवर था 4 रन आए थे. तीसरे ओवर में आए थे 3 रन. इनफैक्ट तीसरे ओवर में आया, तीसरे ओवर में 3 रन और फिर 4 रन. 4 और 24 रन. ओ क्या बात है, लपक लिया है. सेकेंड अटेम्प्ट पे लिया है कैच और पहले विकेट की बदन है. लुक एट द एक्साइटमेंट ऑफ द व्हाइट आर्मी, टीम एवरन. यही खुशी है, इसी की तलाश थी और उनको मिला है विकेट. Looking to play, looking to slice over that point region and one-handed catch at the second attempt. क्या बात है, जोरदार. We have the new batter coming at number 3. Monali. Mihir has got first wicket. He strikes very first ball. क्या बात है. Attacking fielding for her. क्या बात है. अटैकिंग फील्डिंग पर उसे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. आप नो वो वेरी स्मार्टली प्लेड बाय मोनाली. क्या बात. हम भी किसी से कम नहीं, मोनाली है आज की लेडी सिंघम. क्या बात. व्हाट अ वे टू ऑफ द मार्क. क्या बात है. 25 पर 1. Sahil is looking very strong. 17 of 11 with 1-6. Oh! Excellent bowling. That was a toe crusher on the crease. Kya baat. What a comeback from Mihir. He's looking to shatter that stumps, but lucky the batter. इस बार मिलेगा. Umpires waiting, confirming. बातचीत करेंगे मिस्टर जितेंद्र वेद देवा सर. One more. Oh, what happened there? That's not out. 4.4 पर एक. That's very good over by Mihir. Only one run conceded and he's got a one wicket, a very first ball of his over. Tossed up delivery. Anusha tried to stop that, but they have the backup fielder at the deep. Only a single. Coming up the last ball of the fifth over. 26 पर एक PIL team. Mihir to Monali. Looking to swing at offside. She completely missed it. बेहतरीन ओवर, मात्र 2 रन दी है. ओवर की समाप्ति 5 ओवर 26 पर एक. PIL Panthers. So 5 overs third, 26 for 1. PIL Panthers. Change in bowling attack. We have new bowling attack. Pankaj Srivastav. Now with the ball. So all is happening here. Excitement, the passion, the game of cricket. All the Brookfield cricketers practice बहुत अच्छी हुई थी. शुरुआत अच्छी हुई है. So welcome back once again to the game of cricket. कौन लेगा किसका विकेट और किसको मिलेगा विनिंग टिकट? Absolutely, the energy is high of all the cricketers here. And ready for the new over from Pankaj. Sahil on strike. Oh, just going down the track. Change in bowling alignment by Pankaj. Looking to play it offside. Missed it. Dot ball. That went very much wide outside the off-stump line. Signaling wide. Very well left by Monali. Down the leg side for wide. 29 for 1. Trying to swing, but didn't get that connection. 5.3 पर एक of PIL Panthers. ओहो, स्मार्ट चालाक. और एक वाइड. 30 for 1. She's trying her level best. But also good bowling from Pankaj there. Oh, that is a big shout. And what happened there? That was at outside edge. Square leg umpire raising his finger. Oh, indeed, that was stumping. Wide ball and stumping. Oh, yes, stumping out. Oh, stumped out. Ashish, the new batter, comes at number 4. क्या बात है wow first ball strikes sixer bang on क्या बात what a strike down the track 6 runs that's hammered straight over the long on for 6.
Okay, may I please have the attention? This announcement, a very, very, very important announcement for everybody who's here. Not only for the players, but for everybody who's acquainted with Brookfield Premier League and who's present here right now, guys. We've got dedicated FNB section, FNB area. So please make sure that you people are not carrying any edibles or anything, any beverage to the turf. It's a humble request. Please do not carry any edibles or any beverages to the turf. If you want to have it, we've got dedicated area for that. Thank you. And let's start the thing.
Yeah, excellent. What a shot that was. 6 runs. Then the single to end of the over. The previous over. 6 over के बाद 37 पे 2. Coming up the last over of the first innings. High in the air. An easy catch. One more wicket fall. Third wicket fall indeed. PRL 37 for 3 down after 6.1. Let's see if they can set up a big total for Team Evren. So Sahil Thakur 19 of 17 1-4 क्या बात है good batting क्या बात है एक बार जोरदार तालियां for साहिल क्या बात looking to swing the bat but missed it completely. We have Joydeep coming at number 5. आखिरी 4 गेंद देखना होगा क्या एक नैया पार करेंगे big shout there. What's happening there? Good bowling from Mihir. Look at his bowling figures. 1.3 2 पे 2 इन्होंने बुमराह जी की याद दिला दी है and his bowling lacks something that action. Yes. Similar type of action. And once again, excellent bowling. Total pressure on PL Panthers now. You're bowling the last over, you're restricting them for the big total. That's a quality bowling from Mihir. Tossed up delivery high in the air. Will land safe, but good stop. Running and stopping that ball. But umpire saying no ball. यहाँ पे कहानी में twist है और अब no ball coming. No ball and now free hit coming. Following ball. मौका है भेजने का गेंद को चांद तक. Oh, that's a cracking shot, but it's a free hit. Oh, what happened there? That's run out. क्या बात है अरे ये क्या देखने मिला है? Is that run out? in the yes, absolutely. Thank you, umpire. Yes. क्या बात है जितेंद्र जी. High five to you. 39 for 4, 6.5. And what a quick reflexes by the bowler, Mihir. क्या बात है. Just he was outside the crease और मौका मिला विकेट लिया. Last ball coming up of the first innings. टोटली बीट हो गए. यहाँ पर कोई रन नहीं मिलेगा. सो व्हाट अ गुड परफॉर्मेंस, गुड कम बैक फ्रॉम टीम एवरन. 40 का टारगेट मिला है आफ्टर एंड ऑफ द ओवर नंबर 7. You can see on the big screen, Sahil, the top scorer, 19. We got 6 extra. 7 over 39 for 4. Contribution from Shaurabh, Monali, and Joydeep. Every contribution. Look at the bowling figures. We have 2 wickets for Mihir. And look at his economy, just 2. Kya baat? 2 over 4 pe 2. Got that expensive 11 runs. First over, Khushbu, 13 runs. Then we have Vishal and Gyanand who also really bowled well. तो छोटे से ब्रेक का मिलते हैं एंड टिल द टाइम वी हैव टॉस फॉर द सेकेंड मैच. अगली आवाज होगी मैजिकल मनीष की. और मनीष जी आपका समय शुरू होता है अब.
Okay, for that, may I request Hanush Bhai and Brookfield Gladiators, if you all can please join us for toss ka boss. May I request both of you, both the captains, Prathamesh and Hanush Bhai, if you can hear me, I would request you to please join us at the presentation. Oh, that's okay. You guys can be in the frame. May I request Shiva sir, please join us? Yeah. So this is going to be the second match, super fun, between Brookfield Gladiators and Brookfield Properties Bravehearts. And we've got Mr. Shiva Konar, who's going to be taking care of the toss ka boss. Perfect. Heads is the call from Brookfield Gladiators, and heads it is. Congratulations, my brother. So what would you like to offer?
We'll bowl first.
Will bowl first. Any specific run you're going to be restricting them on?
Similar to yesterday, we'll try to restrict them below 35. That is.
You guys played good yesterday.
Yeah. So we'll follow the same strategy and hope for the best.
Hope for the best, man. Thank you so much. All the best. All the best. Anush bhai, batting. You're going to be at the batting side now. So what run are you planning in your mind to give them the target?
See, at on this stuff, at any given point of time, 45 to 50 is definitely a good score. We'll try to give our best. We have a total in mind, and we'll try to give our best. They are a very good team, and as I always say, let the best team win.
And I'm sure Amol bhai is already in a form. I saw your game and the kind of cricket, the last match that you guys played, that was incredible. So I'm sure the same cricket we're going to be witnessing today from your end. And thank you so much and all the best. Thank you. चलिए बढ़ते हैं, मजा आ रहा है. PIL versus Team Everin right out there to the com box to my brother.
Thank you very much, Manish. 40 the target to chase, and we are ready. In the count of 3, 2, 1, game on! आशीष टू आकाश. अच्छे से पढ़ लिया है और इसको कट किया है. एक रन चुरा लिया है. Off the mark straight away with the single Akash. Jaimini joining. And Ashish to start the proceedings. Already started with the one ball. Target of 40 to chase for Team Everin. Again going backward and playing well. Offside for single. तो दोनों बैट्समैन ने पढ़ लिया है इनको. अब क्या तोड़ेंगे आकाश एंड जैमिनी. Oh, he's taken. Good catch by Joydeep there at long on. Looking to clear the long on, but has not got the distance. Very good catch taken. पहले विकेट की पतन बहुत ही जल्द यहाँ पर PIL पैंथर्स ने जो अपनी स्ट्रैटेजी अपनाई है उसमें हो गई है सक्सेस. मिला है विकेट. 3 गेंदबाज 2 पर 1 टीम एवरन. Oh, we have the skipper Shagun comes down to the center. She will face the first ball. Left hand batter. That's been given as wide by the umpire. Looking to swing at select. She didn't get a proper connection to play that shot. This time went for dot ball. A good comeback from Ashish. Oh. Good bowling once again. 5 गेंद 3 रन. कोई विकेट, 1 विकेट यहाँ पर गिरा है. She's trying to play, but swing and a miss. End of the over. Would start from Ashish. 1 ओवर के बाद 3 पर 1 एवरन. Or we have Monali with the bowling. She will bowl the second over of the second innings. Down the track, Jagger Bane. What a stop! Kya baat hai? Good stop by Monali in the follow through. Strong contender from Team PL. इस बार जगह बनाई. Long on. Joydeep will stop that. Only a single. So it's not a big target of 40 runs, but still that PIL Panthers की जो strategy दिख रही है उससे पता चलता है कि डिफेंड करने की कोशिश यहां पर. एंड नाउ मोनाली टू शगुन. Oh. Good bowling, good bowling. Going down the leg side. Umpire Mr. Deva signaling that wide. She's coming right from around the wicket. Toss to delivery, and that played. He's got the outside. She got the outside edge, and only a single. Six for one. Chance. Oh. Wicket मिला है. Shagun was looking for a single, and that's a suicidal run out. 6 पे 2, Team Everton. Sahil, excellent batting now. Great work on the field. इस बार जगह बनाई है. High in the sky. Yes, sixer. दमदार, शानदार, जोरदार. Bhargav straight off the mark with that big six. So 2 ओवर के बाद 12 पे 2 और 28 रन की जरूरत है 30 गेंदों में. एंड ऑफ दी ओवर नंबर 2. इट्स 12 for 2. 30 गेंदों में 28 रन की दरकार. Rohit to the bowling attack. Oh, look at his bowling. क्या बात है. Experience of tennis cricket पूरी तरह से नजर आ रहा है. Only a single. Oh, no runs indeed there. No runs. 28 runs and 29 balls. A runner ball for Team Everton. Easy chase, but Rohit is looking very confident. Let's see. Something changes field. Deep square leg is now short square leg. Excellent. That's good line and length. Reading the batsman completely. Short of pitch length. Straight to the wicket keeper. तो यही स्ट्रैटेजी होगा पीएल पैंथर्स इस ओवर में. देखना होगा आने वाले 2 ओवर्स में डिफेंड करने की कोशिश करेंगे कि पहला ओवर बहुत 9 रन का रहा था. दूसरा ओवर, पहला ओवर one bounce to the fielder. Direct throw at the non-striker stumps. In the second innings play. Now let's see. Team Everton. So it's like 27 runs and 27 balls. 27 गेंदों में 27. That's smartly played. Stand back. Good stop there at between point and covers. Jaimini Das, 8 of 5 with 1-6, and Bhargav, 1 of 3. Oops. Excellent bowling. Very close to the stumps. And only 1 run given so far by Rohit. क्या बात 5 गेंदों में. Good stop and sent back. क्या बात है. Good work by the cover fielder. Short cover इसीलिए रखा है. Singles रोकेंगे. Only 1 run by Rohit. क्या बात है. 3 ओवर के बाद 13 पे 2. Team have run 27 to get from 24 balls. 24 गेंदों में 27 runs की जरूरत है. So hello and welcome back once again to the excitement or game of cricket of the Brookfield Premier League 2025 Season 5 Day 3 is on. Sahil Thakur, he batted really well, the top scorer, 19 of 17, 1-6, now with the ball. Oh, what happened? There's a big appeal, big shout. Pressure directly to the umpires. Oh, UT signaling out. Good work behind the stumps. थर्ड विकेट फॉल. टारगेट कम है लेकिन पीआईएल पैंथर्स का हौसला कम नहीं. मिला है और एक विकेट. That's the captain's work behind the stumps. Vishnu at his best. We have the new batter coming at number 5, Vishal. Connected well high. Will they come back for 2? Is that out or what happened there? Or let's see what umpires say. He needed a good fielding. Hi, how are you? Fine. Umpires having some questions. They will check for sure. So just wait for a while for the confirmation. The target of 40 to chase initially at the center. Team Everton won the toss, selected to field first. And PL Panthers 39 for 4 after 7. Sahil Thakur 19 of 7 with 1-6 and Saurabh 6. Ashish 6 runs, 39 for 4. And talking about till now for Team Everton, Jaimini Das, he's still not out with Vishal. That's 15 for 3, 2 runs. Oh, that's very well played. Will they come back for 2? Only a single. No. Looking for that run. Sent back. 16 for 3, 24 to get from 21 balls. डिफेंड करने की कोशिश है जारी. चेस के लिए टीम एवरन कोशिश पूरी तरह से कर रहे हैं. Let's see direct hit. Oh, lucky there. और एक रन लेना चाहते थे लेकिन वापस भेज दिया. Just a 1 run. Good bowling from Sahil. He's got 1 wicket. Only 4 runs conceded. 20 balls and 23 runs. Interesting to watch. Sahil to Vishal. That's flicked away nicely straight to the field at square leg region, but they are very quick between the wickets. They got 1 run. It's 18 for 3, 22 runs and 19 balls left. Looking to swing the bat straight to the wicketkeeper, the captain. Excellent over. 4 over के बाद 18 पे 3. 4 was gone, 18 for 3 and 18 balls, 22 runs to get. 22 runs, 18 गेंद है बचे. So the first match is on of the day 3. Brookfield Premier League 2025. Batting power play का signal. Only one fielder allowed at the boundary line. The target of 40. Every game we have seen from day 1, day 2, day 3 is getting very tough. So we have Shaurabh Rathi. The previous match, man of the match. The first man of the match did a PL. Dancing down the track, completely missed it. And is that out? Square leg umpire referring to the third umpire. It's a very quick reflexes by the team Everton. And sent to the confirmation. So waiting for the confirmation from the third umpire. We have umpire Mr. Jitendra there, standing and square leg Mr. Deva. That's out, given wicket, one more. 18 पे 4. और एक विकेट की पतन. टीम एवरन इन ट्रबल. ट्रबल से बाहर आने के लिए देखना होगा कौन लेगा अब स्टांस. Captain is having a good time behind the stumps. Gyanendu now on strike, the new batter. Going back foot and playing that defense. Single taken. So one good over. Next over, if they trying to defend, will be the tough task for Team Everton to chase. Though the target is less, but the pressure is more. Oh, good stop. Excellent stop. Sahil, good stop. इन्होंने लगता है 4 रन तो बचा लिया, बिकॉज स्ट्रेट जाता तो ये 4 रन जरूर होता. 1 run taken and 3 runs saved for the team. 20 runs, 15 balls. जगह बनाई, हवा में गेंद, मौका. Very simple catch for Saurabh Rathi. Caught and bowled. And back-to-back Team Evren. Losing the wickets, losing the momentum. Need to come back with strong intent. 20 पे 5, 4.4, 20 रन और चाहिए 14 गेंदों में. So Rohan Ghosh comes down to the center. Oh, good stop by Monali there. It covers. It's like looking London, talking Tokyo. इसको खेलना चाहते थे थाना पर चले गई पूना. 19 runs of 13 balls, a bit of in the air but safe. Oh, just in the air, long on fielder. Rohit, good stop. So 5 was gone. It's 22 for 5. Interesting to watch. 2 over में चाहिए 18 run. So we're talking about that. If you bowl well, defend well, the pressure will automatically increase to the batting team, and that's what's happening. 9 runs every over is the required run rate. 18 runs and 12 balls. And now Rohit, क्या Rohit करेंगे मैच को super hit. Only 1 run conceded in his very first over. Is coming to bowl that another over. अगर इन्होंने डिफेंड कर दिया तो मैच अपने नाम कर दिया. Oh, trying to bowl the fuller but going outside the off stump. Indeed, outside the leg stump. Down the leg side. For wide. That's what he will not bowl. He's having a good run-up, good physique and good fitness. And that's the body language talking. देखना होगा, come back करना होगा. That's what the experience is looking. Oh, good bowling. But कहाँ पे चली गई गेंद हो? So it's 24 for 5, 16, 11 balls. Single taken. 25 पे 5, 10 run, 10 गेंद और 15 run. It's 15 runs and 10 balls left. Lucky there. Oh. और एक रन यहां पर मौका है, मिला है विकेट. नॉन स्ट्राइकर एंड पे नहीं, नॉन स्ट्राइकर एंड पे मिला विकेट. और ये है अजब गजब क्रिकेट ऑफ PIL Panthers. First game of day 3, excitement. And look at Rohit, how he's trying to defend that total. Wicket number 6 down of Team Evren. Pressure on Team Evren. Still the game is not over. The story is not over. Picture बाकी है. देखना होगा. 2 बड़ा हिट मारने की कोशिश करेंगे. 2 बड़े हिट. Dancing down the track. That's played in the air. Ashish. Good judgment to stop that ball. And 2 runs taken. 8 गेंदों में 12 रन्स की जरूरत है. 2 good bowling, defending bowling will get that 12 runs last over. 1 big hit. विशाल और महिर देखना होगा. Tossed up delivery played and very good stop there. Anusha, very good stop at square leg. So देखिए एक एक रन यहाँ पर बचाने की जो कोशिश की है और पूरी तरह से अच्छा डिफेंड किया. आप देखिए अभी टफ हो रहा है टीम एवरन को. 7 गेंद और 11 रन. Excellent bowling. 1.5, 8 runs Rohit. Last ball of his spell. Shuffling down the crease and what happened there? Oh, यहाँ पर मिला है विकेट. रोहित ने मैच को हिट नहीं सुपर हिट कर दिया है. We just talked about at the start, beginning of the over, and here he got it. अब 6 गेंदों में 11 रन की दरकार. देखना होगा आज किसकी सरकार. 6 ओवर 29 पे 7 खटैक. And now we have Saurabh Rati. Oh, good bowling. Short of pitch length and looking to smash at leg side. Completely missed it. 5 गेंद और 11 रन. क्या मैच है, क्या मैच है. Good stop, good stop. Oh, mix up, mix up. OUG. Square leg umpire signaling that. Run out and gone. क्या बात है. येलो आर्मी ने कर दिया है कमाल. टीम एवरन को कर दिया बेहाल. बट अभी भी मैच खत्म नहीं है. मौका है. Okay, that's 6.3, 30 for 8, and now 10 runs and 3 balls. Yashovardhan on strike. Excellent bowling once again. 1 रन चुरा लिया है. क्या बॉलिंग की है पीएल पैंथर्स ने. 9 रन 2 गेंद है बचे. Can he connect? Oh, that Pankaj indeed taken that single. Now Yashovardhan now on strike. Is that a match of PL Panthers? One fair delivery. He'll get a victory. 1 ball 8 run, only a 1 fair delivery, and ये उनका होगा match. Coming up the last ball of the first match. Here we go. And इसी के साथ विजेता PIL Panthers ने इस टारगेट को डिफेंड किया है. Won by 7 runs. Absolutely good performance. So beautiful, so elegant, so धमाकेदार. PIL Panthers, you are looking like a wow. क्या बात है. Fantastic. And over to you, Manish. PIL won by 7 runs.